Hello guys, this is Marcelo and today we're going to talking about journal. I decided to participate in the Deserted Island Challenge proposed by Nik the Booksmith in her YouTube channel. So, this challenge consists in creating a journal or a book with limited resources. For the supplies, we have 4 givens and 4 choices. My 4 givens are paper, coffee stained paper, glue, regular white glue, needle and thread. I chose this vintage black thread, and scissors. And my 4 choices are cardboard, recycled cardboard for the book cover, ink, vintage blue ink, a paintbrush, and this brown brush pen. So let's see what I created with those supplies. First of all, I created a story for this journal. We're in the late 19th century and there was a shipwreck with only one survivor, an Italian couturier called Marcelo. What a coincidence. So now this guy is alone in this island with his creativity and his passion for fashion. But in this island he can find models, clients, fabrics. He only has a few art supplies survived the shipwreck. So he starts to create fashion for dolls and this is his journal. Let's see inside. So this is the cover of my journal. I illustrate those fashion items from the 19th century. Here's the back. This is the spine, and my journal has 4 signatures. Let's look inside. Here we have this pocket with this little doll here. So the couturier could use her as a model, as a client. And here some stitches using the thread and of course the needle. Dolls. I divided in 4 chapters this journal. First, sketches. So here I illustrate some sketches. I made some sketches with the ink and using the marker, the brown marker, brush pen. Another sketch. Another sketch. Here is dress, and dress with a little girl. Another dress. And here this pocket with a little sketchbook inside with a mannequin illustrated on the cover. This is the end of the first chapter with this dress. The second chapter is patterns, and you can see I made some stitches here also, and I made those decorate pages with ink, always with ink. Here's some patterns. a pocket here. I like those designs of a shipwreck. Look, this book is a survival of a shipwreck. I like too much this. Another pattern here. We had a flip here with this tag inside, and here we have another pattern of a bodice. And here we have a big pattern, so we can write above it. It's really clear, the color. We have a flip with another pattern here, the sleeves. Everything like in the 19th century. Here we have another pocket with another pattern. This is a corset, a bodice, not a corset. And here we have another pattern from some pleats here. This is the third chapter, techniques, and here we have a pocket with 4 buttons sewed here with the thread, and inside this pocket we have this sewing kit. I made a tag with 4 pieces of paper, copy paper, regular copy paper, like those, 4 glued with the white glue, and here I put the needle I use and the thread. Here we have some techniques with the thread, a little macrame, a little loom work. Here we have this. Here we have some embroidery. I made this embroidery work where I work with the thread. Here we have this work, is called fuxico in Portuguese, and this is a circle, a piece of fabric like this, and we sew, we make some stitches, and we pull off, we push, and no, we pull the thread, and it became like a flower, little flower. Another pocket with a measure tape. In this island he doesn't have a measure tape, so with my finger I make my unity. So we have here 10 fingers, Marcelo's fingers, unities. Some pleats, always with the stitches, an application with stitches. Here we have another pocket here, some stitches, a little pocket here. I love these bows. I made like this. I drew a lot of bows with ink in the paper, and I made my ephemera and my stickers, my papers, everything with ink. And in this case, the coffee stained paper with ink that had this effect, amazing effect. In another pocket with like some lace here, I don't know. And here another pocket with this, also for journaling. Here another pocket, and here a fold with some stitches. And here, this is the end of the third chapter. This is the fourth chapter, dresses. Again, some stitches, a pocket with this bottom. It's just an illustration and suit, really suit here. And here, I love this effect. Here I made like this scrapbook paper, but everything 100% handmade. Also those labels, at first I cut, and after that I use as a mask in a lot of places here in this journal. I made this little dress, paper little dress. Here I made some tags into pockets. This I made macrame with the thread. Here I put some threads for this tag. A bridal dress. Everything in paper. I made this tag as a bookmark we can use into this pocket. It's really Victorian, this color scheme. I like it so much. A pocket here. And this is a special pocket, dresses with some stitches here, and inside we have two dresses, and we're gonna use those dresses here. Inside this pocket we have this mannequin, and I'm going to show you how it works. And this is the last page. I was thinking to put a pocket here, but this is so beautiful. I decided to put here this for journaling. And this is my journal. I hope you guys liked my work, my inspiration, my story, and the challenge that it's really difficult to use so little quantity of supplies, only paper and ink and a brush marker and glue and a lot of stitches. And if you want to see more of my work, you can visit my Facebook page by Marcelo, or my Instagram account by Marcelo Carboni. I want to dedicate this video to Nik the Booksmith. I love her work and her channel. And well, see you soon. Kisses and hugs, and bye bye.